This is a really cool dumbbell set right here. Let me just show you how this works. So you've got your weights right here that you can slip on to any of these bars. For the kettlebell, let me just take it apart right here and I'll show you. These nuts are going to be what you're going to tighten everything down with, and they call this a fixed lock or a fixed nut, and the fixed nut always goes with a washer. And then this is the kettle nut or the kettlebell bar nut, and this one does not, you don't have to have a washer with that one. So this handle screws on a bar right here, and this is only for the kettle bar handles. This is the piece that you use right here. Now if you're only using 3 plates, or if you're using 3 or less, then you need to use a fixed nut here on the bottom of the kettle bar pole. If you're stacking it with 4 or more, you can remove this. And a reason I'll show you why you need that on there if there's only 3. This is how you reassemble it. Grab the handle, spin the handle on. And so if you didn't have this down here to add this extra space, then this pole right here would come all the way up to the handle, and you can't run your fingers smoothly. It would be in the way. So that's why if it's 3 or less, you need to use this down here. But if you add a 4th weight, show you that real fast. And what's also nice about these is you can really disassemble them and assemble them quite quickly, as you see me doing right here. So let's add a 4th weight on here. Stack it that way. And with that 4th weight, plenty of room between the pole and the top of the grip right here, so that I'm not making any contact with the pole right there. Spin this down, lock that in. Awesome kettlebell set right there. So that's how that works. This is just your regular curl bar right here. But what you can also do is take your curl bars. That's what this is right here. This one's also a curl bar. And you can attach them into this foam piece right here. So let me take this one apart. And now if I screw it in here into this foam piece, and you can also add weights right here if you want to add even more weight. So you can have a weight stack here and a weight stack here, and then it would stop, obviously not screw all the way down. But since I'm not adding those weights in the middle right there, the foam will screw all the way down. Okay, just like that. And if I add weight to this side, add a fixed nut, spin it down on there, tighten it up. Bench press, wider curl bar type of bar right here. And like I said, if you stack more weights right here, it makes the bar even longer and also heavier. So that's really most of it right there. Those are the main adjustments. Other than that, you just stack and move weight around as you wish. But it's really, honestly, a pretty amazing setup. You can create lots of different, you can adjust it a lot, which is really, really, really nice. So thumbs up, definitely recommend this adjustable dumbbell set right here.